Good day guys, welcome to the channel. In this video we'll explain to you how to play Steam games on Xbox. So guys, for this we will just use a cloud service that you can actually use to play them. So if you've ever looked to play games from Steam in any location in the world, of course provided that you have good internet, you can do that. So guys, the service that we need is GeForce Now. So this is the service that will allow us to pretty much play the games without even needing a PC. You can just do it from your phone or from your laptop, from your tablet, also that. So to start, guys, we just need to, of course, register on the GeForce, on the NVIDIA website. So you just press on the login screen right here, or just press on join today. All right, I'm just going to continue with this account of mine. Then you press on join, not that location, join today. And then in here you choose the monthly plan and you choose the free one. And after that, guys, you just go to your account settings and you need to manage your account in here. All right, manage this. And now the next thing we will do is link our Steam account to GeForce. So for that, just download the GeForce application for your PC. Where's the download? There's the download. You can also launch in the browser. Let's just do that. All right, so now let us download GeForce Now, or you can just launch in the browser if you wish. As you can see, we can launch from the browser. So provided you're in the account, we can now begin. So to begin, just go to the settings and then connections. And now let us connect our Steam, okay? So you can just connect Steam, so you go here. Now you're in the Steam, just in here you can use a QR code or just your email and password, and then just log in and connect your account. And after that, guys, it's very simple. The next thing you can just do is go ahead and launch again, like this. Oh, it's already launched, sorry. All right, games, and then choose the game that you wish to play. For example, Arc Raiders, like this. And as you can see, you can now start playing, provided your subscription supports it. And yeah, if you have a subscription, you can easily play almost any Steam game on Xbox. Enjoy, guys. Hope this helped you. If it did, like and subscribe.